Everyone, very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I would like to discuss about a very basic terms of accounting. As you know that there are two sides of accounting. One is the debit, another is credit. So before we dive into this, I would like to talk about accounting. So accounting is basically the process of recording and processing the information related to business and corporation. It also provides insight about the business financial condition. So that is called accounting, where a company records informations in order to keep the record of each and every transactions which happens within the organization. So they could provide this information to regulatory bodies, and as well as they can also keep the record of their profit and loss where they are lacking. Because of that reason they maintain accounting in their organization. So that is called accounting. Now let's move into what is the debit. So debit means increase in expenses and asset are decrease in liabilities. Okay, so just I would like to clear this point. So whenever expenses increase and asset decreases, so that things are getting recorded as in the debit side. Other than that's credit side works in a opposite way. So in the credit side, whenever increase in liabilities and equities, so that is getting recorded in the credit side. Along with that, when is the decrease in a asset, that is also gets recorded in credit side. Apart from that, I would like to also talk about the essential of debit and credit in accounting system. So debit and credits are it is the essential part of accounting system. When any corporation or any organizations, they maintain a double accounting system or double bookkeeping system. In that case, the one transaction must be recorded both sides.